Hi, my name's Mike Davies and I'm currently working with Record Power in England. We've just been producing a new series of wood carving tutorials, and we've just finished several projects, simple decorations for wood turners. So we've been doing barley twist and some fancy decorations on bowls. And because of this, I've been working on this new lathe, which has been designed and produced by Record Power. And it's brilliant. I've got to say that I know wood turning has pretty much been at the heart of Record Power since the 1940s, and this machine has been designed in consultation with professional wood turners and hobby enthusiasts. They were asked all of the things that if they could have, the wish list of wood turners, and Record Power, I think, have really incorporated all of those into this tiny little machine. So let's run through it step by step. First of all, the design. It is a very unique looking piece of equipment. The quality of the casting is beautiful. In terms of the important dimensions, the vital statistics, let's say, diameter of bowl over the bed, 355 mm. Max between centres, 508 mm. It does have a bed extension, so if you want to turn longer pieces, it's really not a problem. An amazing feature is that it is a swivel head, and that gives it additional bowl capacity. So you can turn up to 533 mm. So as a platter, here's an example. 530 mm is a monster. I mean, that's much bigger than this platter here. So the capacity is big. But a concern is, has it got the power to deal with it? Well, one of the overriding compliments that the machine has had is its massive torque, and many professional turners have actually said that it's got more torque than machines in some cases that are twice its size and weight, and that's because of the technology that's in here. So it's a kilowatt motor input. Output is 750 watt, that's 1 horsepower. It's an electronic variable speed, but in the headstock we've also got 3 pulleys driven by a poly V belt for extra traction. So if you really want some extra grunt, if you're turning some big lumps and you want to go at slow speed to knock the edges off, well, you can drop down the pulleys so you've really got some extra drive. 96 RPM is the slowest speed. If you want high speed polishing acrylics and that sort of thing, well, you can take it up to the highest speed. It's over 5,000 RPM, so it's got a massive range, which is really impressive. Also, inside the headstock, we've got 24 indexing holes, and so it's easily adjusted with this little attachment here. So we've got a turning wheel on the back, a flywheel on the back, and so this little attachment there locks that headstock or locks the spindle in 24 different places. So just still on that motor again, it's also reversible. So a lot of wood turners like to sand in reverse, so it's capable of that. But because as we rotate this headstock, which is also slidable, it'll slide down the bed, as you rotate it, you can hear it's got little locating holes, but you can turn it 360 degrees, which means we can slide it down this end for left-handed wood turners. So suitable for both left-handed and right-handed turners with this reversible feature and the 360 degree swivel head. So moving down, the spindle, an M33 by 3.5 spindle. Number 2 Morse taper for your drive centre. Solid cast bed. The tool rest or banjo has a cam action lever, so it locks nice and firmly very easily. The tool rest itself has a 1-inch or 25 mm stem, so extra firm and rigid. That's adjusted with this nice little lever here, so this all works quite nicely. In terms of the tailstock, A very neat little design. So we have a number 2 Morse taper live center, which can be locked here. Your wheel, which is nice and easy to operate. In terms of accessories, we've got a bed extension, we have feet mounting accessories if you want to mount that onto your workbench, or we've also got the nice solid legs. And I was amazed at how rigid those legs are. They really hold the lathe very firmly indeed. So, the Record Power Coronet Herald is a great lathe. I'd highly recommend it.